Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate a beginner-friendly knitting pattern in 2 variations. It consists of 1 loop and 2 rows. The first variation pattern consists of 4 rows, creating embossed stripes on a stockinette stitch background. It will appeal to all lovers of minimalism and easy knitting. The knitting can start with any number of stitches. The first row is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is: pull up a loop from the bottom row and knit 1. Again, pull up a loop from the bottom row and knit 1. Pull up a loop from the bottom row and knit 1. The second row is on the right side. All loops are in pairs, formed on the previous row. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is: knit 2 together through the back until the end of the row. Again, knit 2 together, knit 2 together, knit 2 together. The third row is on the wrong side. Purl all stitches until the end of the row. The fourth row is on the right side. Knit all stitches until the end of the row. The second variation of the knitting pattern is obtained by skipping the third and fourth rows and knitting the embossed pads one after the other. Here we will make only knit loops. The first row is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is: pull up a loop from the bottom row and knit 1. Pull up a loop from the bottom row and knit 1. Pull up a loop from the bottom row and knit 1. The second row is on the right side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is knit 2 together through the back until the end of the row. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together, knit 2 together. Repeat these 2 rows until the desired length is reached. I have provided an easy-to-implement knitting pattern that creates a fine textured fabric. The pattern is simple to learn and produces a smooth fabric that won't loosen. The first variation is appropriate for light summer clothing, and winter oversized sweaters and vests. The second variation creates a more voluminous, boucle-like texture. It has a tight structure that is still stretchy, making it ideal for thick winter hats, scarves, sweaters, and children's cardigans and blankets. If you are interested in learning how to knit these 2 options in the round, please write to me in the comments or on my Facebook Messenger. I will post a video tutorial for you. This easy knitting technique will be useful for your future projects, and I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.